Hi everybody. So on today's episode of What in the Name of Cheese Did Mrs. Cuervo Teach My Child Today, we are back and we are kicking it into high gear with topic 5. So this is an introduction to mental math and finding quotients. Now today I reviewed with the kiddos that division and multiplication are inverse operations, which thank goodness many of the children knew, and we've been talking about it a lot. So we're working backwards today if division confuses them. So I'm going to start by looking at, I'm going to turn you here to number 9 rather, which is 2,000 divided by 5. I reminded all the kiddos that you always need an equal sign after a problem that you're trying to work on. So I told the kids the opposite of division is multiplication. So if looking at this problem confuses you, which it does for many of them, let's start with looking backwards. So we're going to ask ourselves, brain, what in the name of cheese can we multiply by 5 to get 2? And hopefully the kids say, absolutely nothing, Mrs. Cuervo, you've lost your marbles. And they're absolutely right. So now that means we have to have a 0 join in with the 2. Now we're going to ask our brain, what can I multiply by 5 to get a product of 20? So the kiddos should know that this is 4. The reason that we circle the whole 20 is that we're not also going to incorrectly slash the wrong zeros. So the kids now know 4 times 5 will give you a product of 20. But now we just can't leave these 2 zeros hanging out. So we need to, everybody slash now, slash the 2 zeros, which are then going to be added to our quotient. So the kiddos should now see that 2,000 divided by 5 is 400. If they want to get extra crazy or they want to push themselves, motivate themselves a little more, they can prove this to me by saying 5 times 400 will give us a product of 5 times 4 is 20. And then everybody slash now. Boop, 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 boop. And then remember our comma. So they can prove to me that their quotient's correct because the inverse operation clearly shows me that 2,000 is also my dividend, which we will get into all this lingo as we continue on with division. But this was the basic concept of the day. They do not have to show me with the inverse operation below, but I at least wanted to show you how we break this apart and work backwards. Best of luck, everyone.